If you have a 2007 to 2011 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.8-liter engine, your vehicle can be prone to PCM failure. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, is responsible for controlling both the engine and the transmission. Because it's such an essential part of your vehicle, when it fails, it can cause major problems. So today, we're going to walk you through the common symptoms of a failed PCM and how you can get back on the road. The most common symptoms of a failed Wrangler PCM include coil driver failure, coil driver misfire, or the alternator not charging the battery, often accompanied by code P0622. If your engine is running rough, be sure to scan for diagnostic trouble codes and confirm that the codes you have relate to these symptoms. If they do, your PCM is very likely the culprit. Replacement PCMs can be expensive. Because of this, we offer an affordable repair service to remanufacture your module, completely restoring and upgrading it to function better than new with a fast one-business day turnaround time. We also preserve your original programming, unlike replacement PCMs, which usually require a trip to the dealership and additional programming costs. It's important to note that if the PCM has been damaged by a failed ignition coil, then you must replace the failed coil at the same time as the PCM to prevent further damage. Our process is quick and easy. Simply purchase the repair service on our website and you'll receive an email with instructions for how to ship your module to us. Once we receive it, we will fully rebuild and test it within one business day and ship it back to you. When you receive your PCM, it will be ready to install. Simply plug it back in and you're all set. If you're ready to restore your vehicle's functionality, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049 and we'll be happy to help.